Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as usual, thanks for tuning in. So today is the day where I actually went out and bought a new media streaming box, because this box, the MXQ box I've had for the past 2 years, decided to stop working. I can't update it, I can't play Netflix on it, I can't even install the Play Store, it won't work. The Google Play services does not work on this box any longer. I think Google has blocked these from actually working. So I went out today and I had to look at 3 various boxes that I wanted to purchase. I had a look at the MyGeeker box, and I also had a look at the Roku Kwese streaming box, and I had a look at 2 other Android boxes. I finally settled on this one here, the Kwese Roku box. So what is Roku? Roku is just another company that makes and develops streaming set-top boxes as well as TV sticks. If you're all familiar with the Fire TV stick, Roku has the same type of device out. Now we all know that the Fire stick is based on Android, the MXQ is based on Android, and so is the Nvidia Shield that I have, that is based on Android. Well, the Roku is not based on Android, it's actually based on their own operating system called Roku. So let's get into it, let's unbox this baby and set it up and see how the Roku system works. So let's unbox this baby. First, let's have a look at the box. So Kwese comes with over 100 streaming channels that's available. Off the box you have Netflix, YouTube, and well as Red Bull and Kwese. Now Kwese is only available in South Africa at this current stage, which is a partnership with Roku and Netflix. What's in the box? So what we have in the box is the device, the HDMI cable, remote, Ethernet USB port, 2 AAA batteries, and a power adapter. And what you basically need for this is, like any other set-top box, you need a broadband internet connection, or any internet connection that you have that is going to work for streaming, and obviously you need a nice TV to actually plug it into something that has an HDMI port. So without further ado, let's open this box and actually see what's in the box. Now this box I purchased at Dion Wired. You can purchase it off Takealot. I will leave the links below. Let's have a look here. Okay, first things first, we have the documentation, some more documentation that's available, poster of the crown, not really interested in that, and we have our remote, as you can see, Netflix, Red Bull TV, YouTube, and then obviously the Kwese button. So these are pre-programmed for exactly what it says. As you can see there, it says Netflix, YouTube, so you don't have to go in. So you just click that and open up the Netflix app for you. Let's have a look at the Roku box itself. Wow, this thing is tiny. I mean, if you compare it to what we have here, the MXQ, it is way smaller. I mean, really, it is so tiny. Look at this, look at that. It's cool and small. So firstly, let's have a look. What do we have here? We've got the power port, we've got the Ethernet port, and we've got the HDMI port. On the other side, we have a USB port. We have nothing much further. That's basically it. Let's have a look. 2 batteries, as I said. What else is in here? Our power adapter. So we've got 2 power adapters. We've got, well, not 2 power adapters, but basically a plug. We've got the 3-point plug, and we've got a 2.1. So this actually comes off. You can actually clip it off. Standard, looks like the old Nokia connectors. Let's see what else is in here. Aha! HDMI cable. So that's basically what comes in the box. There's nothing much further in the box. As you can see, tiny. It fits in the palm of my hand. It's really small. power adapter, and your remote. So that's basically what comes in the box. There's not much further in the box. It's straightforward. So next thing is I'm going to set this box up, and I'm going to see how it works with setting up the Roku system. Alright, so what I've done now is I've plugged in the Roku box into my bedroom TV. This is going to go to my daughter, so let's go through the setup and let's see what it all entails. Let me just get you closer so you can actually see what is happening on the screen, and let's get started. So it's quite simple to install, a straightforward plug-in, and you'll get to this welcome screen. So what I want to do now is just get the batteries into the remote, and then we can get started. Right, so let's go. Wireless, we're gonna go with wired Ethernet because I've got it connected to an Ethernet cable. So let's go there. Connect to wired network. Let's have a look. Doing a software update. Let's do the update. So we're going to do the update, and once it's done, we'll be back. Right. So our update is installed, and we are now in the final section of the setup of the Roku Kwese Playbox. So let's have a look and see what we have to do. Okay, so let's select display type. Not sure if you guys can see this. Let me just zoom in a bit there for you. Let me focus. There we go. Okay, so let's detect display type. Display resolution is 1080. Screen looks good. Obviously we need to accept the we accept the user agreement, and we're going to do activation. So we're downloading some additional software, I suppose, additional plugins. Okay, so these are the countries that Kwese Play is available in. We've got Botswana, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Obviously we're in South Africa, so we're going to choose South Africa. Okay, so we need to get to a mobile device, and we need to do the setup. So I'll be back in a jiffy. Right, so we've gone through the update, and it's added all the channels in. So let's see. It's adding Bloomberg, which is the last one that's on the channel update. It's 14 channel updates that took place, and I think there's 14 currently available on the Kwese Play Roku box. So let's see what happens once it's completed the channel update, and let's get through to the next section. So there we see we're all done. Let's get on to the next section. So this is your interface that you're gonna have on your Roku box. As you can see, it's got home, streaming channels, and settings, and we've got 10 channels available. So first channel is Kwese Play. Let's see what Kwese Play actually has up for us. Let's go into Kwese and see what's on there. Okay, let's go South Africa again. We're logging in. It does take some time. Okay. So basically we've got live sport events on this channel. Okay, so let's go back out. Confirm, we want to exit, yes. So let's exit that. We've got Netflix, we've got YouTube, we've got TED. Happy Kids TV, this is something that I wanted for my kids, so let's have a look and see what Happy Kids has. For those parents that's looking to get their kids something to utilize instead of a normal Android box, we've got the happykids.tv 2 on the Roku player, which comes pre-installed. So there we go, and we can choose 0 to 2, 2 to 4, etc. Let's have a look. So there we go. I'm gonna go 6 to 10 year girls, and let's just see what's coming up for them. Okay, and we've got some shows, some classic shows. We've got some top TV shows, so there's quite a bit. Okay, let's go back out of this. Bloomberg, okay, Red Bull TV, TuneIn Radio, iPhone TV, Al Jazeera. So that's basically what's on the list over there. So let's have a look at the streaming channel section. Let's just go in and see what we've got. We've got games, apps, comedy, educational, food, kids and family. So these are all on. Some of them are actually paid for and some of them are free. I'm not going to go through all of these and have a look and see what is free and what is paid for. That I'll do in the next video, where I do a review on what it's like actually utilizing this box and what it's like living with this box. So that's basically what we've got. In the settings, we've got network. We've got, let's go back to settings. We've got our network. We've got themes. We can choose custom themes. Let's go and choose graphene, decaf, nebula, daydream. So let's change it to decaf and just see what it looks like. Okay, that's basically it. Screensaver, display type, captions, audio, menu volume, the system. So we can do updates on the system. Let's see. So basically what happens is you can go and you can update, and this is one of the reasons I actually opted for this box, is because I wanted something that I could update on a regular basis and stay up to date with the latest softwares and also the latest app updates. Whereas with the previous box, the MXQ box, I couldn't do updates because it wouldn't update. It kept on bombing out the system update, and it was stuck on Android 4.4, which is rather old. I mean, we're on 8.1 right now. Oh, and one thing I forgot. On the remote, we've got 4 buttons, and I never actually had a look and see how this button works. So let's go and look at it. Let's choose YouTube button and just see what happens. So I'm gonna hit the YouTube button, and it takes you straight to YouTube. Or it's supposed to. Let's have a look. There we go. Takes you straight to YouTube. Well, I haven't signed in yet, so that's for another reason, another day. Let's just go not now, and that is YouTube. So we've got YouTube, and then we can hit the home button, which is the top one here. We go back home. Same with the Netflix, same with Kwese, same with the Red Bull TV. You just click on it instead of going through your list over here on the right. You just hit one of those 4 buttons, and you've got access to the channel. Right, so I've done the setup. As you saw, I ran through the whole installation and updating of the software and updating of the channels, and it added Netflix, it added YouTube, and a bunch of other channels, like 14 different channels that added in. And I unplugged it from my television in my bedroom, and I plugged it into my daughter's bedroom television, and I signed into Netflix. And with that, I got a 3-month gift, which is to the value of $29.97, which basically means that for the next 3 months I won't be paying for Netflix, which is sweet. It's awesome. And when I first picked up this box, I thought it was only for new Netflix accounts when you sign up, but in actual fact, whether you got an existing Netflix account or with your new account, that $29.97 gets credited to your account. So big ups on that one. So if you've got a Netflix account and you're looking to get one of these, bear in mind you will get 3 months free. So it's a plus to get the Kwese Roku player for yourself if you're looking for a media streaming box. Right guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for sticking around watching the video. As I said in the beginning, this little box over here, it's a new box, and I decided to go with this. Why I went with it is I'm looking for something that's different, and something where my daughters can't sideload, showbox, or anything that I can't control what they're watching. So with this, it's difficult to sideload anything, and what's preloaded is more geared to kids entertainment, and it's nothing that is available that is adult content on here without you actually installing something from the store. And even so, it's not an easy installation. You need to go through some hoops to install the stuff. If you want to get yourself one of these awesome caps or one of these t-shirts, hit me up in the comments below, or email me. Email will be listed in the details below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace.